In this demonstration, I'll show you how to convert contour or map data from a scanned image into AutoCAD polylines. Here I have a scanned image of a map with various contour lines, and at the moment it's just as a scanned image. If I use this command here, raster to vector, what it will allow me to do is to convert the raster lines into vector or CAD polylines. So I select raster to vector. It then prompts me to use a selection method to pick my data. I can use an object, or I can use a segment. If I use segment, then it will go from break to break. So I just click on the item and it will just highlight the line from where it finds it. So I can pick the data that way. I can also use fence, and that will allow me to draw a line across the drawing, and then anything that's joined up to those lines, it will follow it until it comes to a break. So everything that's green is going to be selected and converted. I can carry on picking more data, I can add more to it until I'm happy with all of the information that I've selected. Once I'm happy, I hit return, and we can do two types of conversion, CAD or contour. CAD is lines, circles and arcs. Contour is for polylines and splines or maps. I can adjust the threshold or the smoothness of the lines, how many points are in the polyline, and I can also save the raster so it overlays the vectors on top, or I can say don't save the raster, so it will just replace it with the vector. Say OK, then everything that's now highlighted has been converted into polylines, and it will go from break to break across the drawing. So it's a very simple, very quick way of converting your polylines or your maps into AutoCAD polylines.